Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on this fourth option, so date and time. And right now, everything is set automatically except the time zone. So first of all, just tap on this switcher here, and now we can simply tap on date and just by swiping change it. So first of all, day, month, and a year, and tap on OK. The same situation with the time, so just tap on it, and by swiping you can change it and tap on OK. It will be immediately applied on the status bar. You can also change the time zone, so just tap on it and choose the time zone you want to use. For example, this one, but of course be aware because the time zone will affect the time, obviously. Here you've got also dual clocks, so you can decide whether you want to use two different clocks. The first one from the place you're currently in, and the second one from your home city, for example, if it is different. And which is extremely useful if, for example, you're traveling abroad and there is a huge difference between the time zones. Moreover, we can change the time format. I forgot to mention that. At the very top, we've got the 24-hour format, which is currently applied. You can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option, and now it is applied. And unfortunately, this is the only format that we can change. So we cannot, for example, change the date format. So this is the manual customization of date and time, and if you'd like to get back to previous settings, just tap on the switcher right here to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.